Hey guys, how are you? I got this great product that I love, organization. It's a 2-tier white under sink organizer. So it comes 2 tiers and it's 2 pieces. The bottom is a drawer. It's so easy to build. It comes with all the pieces, comes with a pamphlet on how and directions on how to build it. It's literally 1, 2, 3, build it right, and it comes 2 in a pack. So let's get started and put it together. So how you do it is, comes with the holes and the poles on the bottom right here. You stick them right in, just like that. Show you. And then you have the top tier that goes right on top of it. Stick it right in, and just like that, you have it all ready to put and store in your cabinet and organize everything. What I like about this is that it's half and half. So it has like, this part is not the same size as the bottom one. So you have taller products here, and then you can have like the less tall products here, and then you put all the smaller things up here. I love that it's a drawer, so that's great. It just opens up, and I love that it comes 2 in a pack. So just make sure it's in sturdy, and we'll do the next one. There's also this piece to put in that if you want to stop it from opening completely, you can put it in here or whichever level you wanted to stop in. And so you see when you pull it open, it doesn't come out past that. But if you want to take it out, it's very easy to just take out or pull it a little bit less. You can take it out and then you can open it completely. So that's another option with that piece. You also have these pieces to put on the top here to have a more finished look. So just like that, you pop them right in. 1, 2, 3, it's super easy. Just like that. Comes with 4 of them. And it also comes with 4 hooks that you can use and hang. You can put rags on it. You can put a loofah on it. Really, you can put anything. You can put it on this side, the other side, whichever side works for you, front or back. So that's really great extra storage that you can use. Here's the under sink before, and now I'm gonna put in the 2-tier organizer to show you how much of a difference it actually makes. It's so put together now. There's so much extra space. I literally have tons of extra space, 2 levels, and all the products are in there neatly lined up. You can easily get into it. Here also you have this, the deodorant and the band-aids. And if I want to, I can just hang a few things over there. It was so easy to do, and then I move it over a little bit, and then I can pull the drawer out like this. So the drawer comes out. I just put a stopper on it because I don't want it to fall over. But I definitely recommend this product. These 2-tier storage organizers are really amazing. Look how much room I have. Before it felt like you couldn't put anything. It has 2 levels and there's just so much more room. So I really recommend it and I love it. And I do want to mention, I love the white. I know everybody is into black now, but I think the white is really nice looking with this white cabinet. So definitely go get these. They're so great and I cannot recommend it enough.